National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Weber County in northern Utah and eastern Fox Elder County in northern Utah until 3 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Weber County in northern Utah and eastern Fox Elder County in northern Utah until 3 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 2:29 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, radar indicated a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Ogden, moving northwest at 25 miles an hour. The storm is capable of producing 60 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Ogden, Brigham City, North Ogden, Cary, Slaterville, South Willard, Pleasant View, Far West, Harrisville, Plain City, Huntsville, Eden, Liberty, Warren, Snowmason, and Slaterville. This includes Interstate 15 between mile markers 345 and 362. For your protection, move to an interior room or building.
Double header!
The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm Elder County in northern Utah until 3 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 2:29 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Ogden, moving northwest at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ogden, Brigham City, North Ogden, Cary, Willard, Marriott Slaterville, South Willard, Pleasant View, Far West, Harrisville, Plain City, Huntsville, Eden, Liberty, Warren, Snowmason, and Slaterville. This includes Interstate 15 between mile markers 345 and 362. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Utah: Fox, Elder, and Weber.